You want to become a real YouTuber, right? A real YouTuber like me. Let me be honest with you. Just quit. Fucking quit. Yes, you heard me right. Joke aside, let's dive straight into it. If you are thinking about starting a YouTube channel like you want to get rich and famous like me, or maybe you already started but you are stuck at the bottom like this video is for me. Because the difference between people who dream about becoming a YouTuber and people who actually become YouTubers is not fucking um um shit. It's mindset, consistency, patience, and understanding how the cult really works. So let's yap about it. First thing you need to do is quit. I know many people on YouTube will tell you, you don't need this, you don't need that, which is not bad. But let me be honest with you. It's true that you don't need all the expensive cameras and gadgets, but at least you need something good. If you have a phone that can give you at least a 720p resolution and a clear recording, which even if you go to CapCut or InShot to reduce the background noise a little, you are still hearing this wave sound. And you don't have a minimum storage of 32 gig and at least a version 7.00, which is almost outdated, then that thing you're holding is a fucking bomb. And don't fucking start YouTube or you'll just be wasting your time. I know why I'm saying so. But many of those creators who will tell you most of the big creators started with very low quality video and bad audio. You don't need anything, just your phone. Let me just remind you, many of those big creators now started back when 360p and 720p were the highest resolution. Now 180p is not even the highest resolution. There's 4K, there's 4K Ultra, and 8K is coming soon. But a video of 1080p is recommended. So tell me, if your video is at fucking 360p resolution as its highest, and your audio is sounding like a damn jet engine, who is going to continue watching your video? Check this out. About 40 to 50% of viewers are from 1080p resolution. That's they watch using 1080p resolution. 25 to 35% are from 720p. Then 15 to 20% of views on YouTube are from 360p resolution. And you know you are competing with big creators and small creators alike. So let's do a little bit of calculation here. For this calculation, let's say everybody in the world watch YouTube and everybody only watch YouTube using a mobile phone. Of course, you know people watch on laptop, TV, and computers. But for this example, everybody uses mobile phone. So 8.3 billion people in the world, 20% of 8.3 billion for my calculation is, so you are dragging this amount of view with every big and small creator on YouTube. But if you use the 1080p, you can have a bit of views from the viewers who watch using the 1080p down to those who watch at 360p. And if you are lucky, your video can be shown to a user using 4K. So which league are you in? This league, which you know the big YouTubers will still take a very big chunk out of the audience, leaving you with people who are not that popular or big, and they will still partake in the leftover. By the time your video now tends to get pushed, people are already tired and clicking off. Next day, same thing happen and again and again and again and again in a loop. Don't mistake brightness for resolution. Number two, you don't need to be good. Don't learn. Just keep doing your rubbish. I know the more you post, the more you get better, which is true. But that was the YouTube of about 10 years ago where anybody can become a creator. Right now, people learn YouTube. YouTube is like a course or like a program. You need to learn how to talk, how to write, how to edit, how to plan your script, how to plan your video, and so on. You mustn't be a professional, but you need to have basic editing skills and other skills for YouTube. So you need to watch as many tutorials as you can and constantly implement and apply what you learn. Number three, just post random stuff. Don't stick to a clear type of content. Time has changed. Back then, you can just post random shit and boom, you are blooming. Now, it doesn't work like that. You need to know what you are doing on YouTube. You need to know what you are putting out. We call that niche. I know picking a YouTube niche can be so devastating and frustrating sometimes, which is why the first video on my channel is talking about 8 evergreen niches that you can start right now. In that video, I explain the advantages and the disadvantages. The niche that I all mentioned all work hand in hand for both faceless and appearance creator. So do well to check out that video after this video and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Before we proceed to the main video, permit me to just briefly explain to you how the YouTube algorithm works now. First, you post a video, the algorithm pushes it out just randomly. It doesn't know who your audience is or what audience you want, like a billboard where advertisers advertise products. People who the advert catches their attention, they check out the product. People it doesn't catch their attention, they move away. But the billboard doesn't give a fuck. It has done its job. Long talk short. Now, you post another video. This next video that you posted is kind of telling the algorithm, this is the league I want to be in. This is the audience I want. This time it pushes it not like the first one, but it pushes it to part of the audience you want and part of the audience you don't know. If you keep posting that kind of content, it helps the algo fully know your audience. Then that's where the main YouTube journey begins. You watch bigger creators in your league, learn from them, follow what's trending in your league, and then battle to stand out. But if you keep posting random stuff, the algo would be like, oh no, this smart is here again. I'ma dump this shit. So sticking to what you know how to do best will help you grow faster. Number 4. Another reason many people succeed on YouTube is because they choose a niche only for the money. They see someone making money on finance, motivation, or health and fitness, and they jump right into it and start copying immediately. Not that they are interested in creating that kind of content, but because they want the quick money, they want to grow like that person. And after 2 weeks, they already tired or burn out or give up because they don't know how to continue. They only know how to start, but not how to continue, which is not good. Let me give you a piece of advice by the one and only DOWG.
Do not go into a job thinking about money. Because if you go into a job thinking about money, you're not going to get the most out of it. If you go into a job loving it, being passionate about it, you're going to get everything you got coming out of it. But if you go into that job saying, I'm going to make a whole lot of money, this job's going to pay me this, you ain't going to get nothing out of it. You have to love it first. I've always loved rap more than I love money. I love rap more than I love anything. That's why I can work whenever I want to.
So you need to pick something you can consistently talk about without forcing yourself, something you have passion for and love doing. If you enjoy the topic or niche you choose, you will naturally improve and ideas will come very easily without you falling into depression or frustration thinking about what to create next. Number 5. Don't understand that YouTube is a long game or a long run. So if you post a video and it doesn't get the views you expected, just give up. I know this is probably the hardest truth to some people, but on YouTube, there's no guaranteed reward for effort or perfection. YouTube only rewards consistency. Show up and you are good. In as much as YouTube doesn't reward effort or perfection, in any video you create, try to put in the best you can. Just make sure that every video you make and upload, you can tell yourself, I did my best. Number 6. Have a very high expectation. Expect Mr. Beast kind of views in every video you post. Most people don't know this, but expectation kills. Expectation brings depression, frustration, and regret, pains, and sorrow. If you have an expectation for a video and it doesn't go as you expected, what do you feel? Depressed, right? When you want to have a shit, you just go to the toilet, do your stuff, flush it, and the sockaway consumes it, and that's all. You won't go to the sockaway to check how your shit is doing, or you won't check the pipe to see how your shit is going. But when the sockaway is full, it will give you a sign. So that's how I want you to do. Treat your YouTube video like that shit. Treat YouTube like that toilet and the audience like the sockaway. But every time you post and you see a new comment or a comment, reply immediately. So just keep posting because you don't know the video that's going to blow up. Number 7. Compare yourself with big creators. Don't take inspirations from them. Oh, he posted a video 1 hour ago and he has 100k views, and I'm having just 20 views in the last 47 hours. Oh my god, he has 1.7 million subs and I have 1 and 7 subs. I'm tired of YouTube. Give up. Like I've always said, consistency matters a lot because every time you try, you make mistake. You try again, correct previous mistake, make another mistake till you get better, not perfect. They say practice makes perfect, but it doesn't. It only makes masters. And masters do make mistakes, but rarely. Slow and steady wins the long race. So keep pushing, keep doing what is right, keep doing what you know how to do best. Set your goals, chase them with zero expectations. One day we all will get there.
Number 8.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you are confused, you don't know what niche to choose, check out this video where I explain 8 evergreen niches that you can start right now. Their advantages and their disadvantages. If you already have a niche and you want to change, you can also check out that video. But if you are happy with the niche you are doing, then keep grinding, keep pushing. God will see us all through. See you all in the next video. Remember,